highlights as well from the set that just concluded. Jovelyn Gonzaga, mainit na pagsimula rito. Sabi nga natin, may lakad na siyang kailangan siya rito. Royce Tubino also getting into the act. Royce Tubino kung ano-anong uri ng palo talaga ginawa. However, for F2, nakikita natin Chuck Cruz and Ara Galang trying to keep them in there. Yeah.
But it was that lady.
Oh, yeah.
I have to say, Chisa and really doing it. But also, Chuck Cruz trying to lift her team 4 points in the 4th set alone.
And this was the final set of points here. Rachel Andak is, of course, putting it away. At sa ating mga numero, makikita natin this is for the entire match already. Block points talaga kuha-kuha yan ng F2.
But when it comes to the attacks, nakuha yan ng signal. Although mas marami yung errors ng signal dito, the service aces also help para sa kanila.
And from those attacks talaga, Chisa orchestrated very, very well. Kahit na walang first ball, minsan nagagawa pa rin ang paraan dito ni Said. But so many weapons there. You have Mumay Vivas, Jovelyn Gonzaga, Rachel Antakis, Royce Tubino. Who is our player of the game? We will find out with Carla Lizardo.
We are here with our MVP of the match, Chisa Said, with 6 points and 25 excellent sets. Chisa, last 2 games nyo, sa first set, yung hindi nyo nakukuha. Pero this time around, third set, ano yung nangyari at paano kayo nag-adjust?
Siguro kasi nung third set, medyo nag-relax. Aminado kami doon, then maraming error. So, buti na lang nakapag-compose ulit yung team and tulong-tulong pa rin.
And of course, ikaw bilang former DLSU player at nakalaban mo nga yung mga bagets na nag-champion rin, meron bang extra challenge para sa'yo na gusto mong pakita na ako pa rin yung nauna sa inyo?
Actually, sobrang mahal ko yung mga bata. Sobrang thankful may iba akong naabutan. Siyempre, masaya akong nakalaban ko sila. And sana meron ding natutunan. And natuto din ako sa kanila.
I'm sure marami silang natutunan sa'yo sa performance mo ngayon.